If you're seeing Capcut error code 41102, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that can solve the problem fast. This error is usually connected to your internet connection, cached app data, or a temporary login issue. So we're going to go through each solution step by step. Make sure you follow along carefully. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, let's check your internet and network settings. A lot of the time, this error shows up because Capcut is having trouble connecting properly. If you're currently on Wi-Fi, turn Wi-Fi off and switch to mobile data. If you're already using mobile's data, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network instead. This quick switch helps you figure out whether the issue is caused by your connection. Once you change networks, open Capcut again and see if the error disappears. If it does, then the problem was likely your network and not the app itself. Now, if that didn't work, the next thing to do is clear the app cache and the data. This is one of the most effective fixes when Capcut starts acting up or showing strange errors. Open Capcut and go to Settings. Make sure you are in the Drafts tab because that's where the cache option is usually easier to find. Next to cache size, you should see a delete icon. Tap that delete button and confirm the action. This will clear out temporary files that may be causing the error. After that, close Capcut completely and reopen it to see if it's working normally again. In many cases, clearing the cache gives the app a fresh start and fixes the issue right away. If the error is happening when you try to log in, then the next step is to log out and re-authenticate your account. Open Capcut and sign out of your account first. After logging out, make sure you completely close the app so it is not still running in the background. Then reboot your device. This is important because restarting your phone or tablet clears temporary system glitches that may be affecting the app. Once your device turns back on, open Capcut again and log back into your account. Try the same login process that was giving you trouble before and check whether the error is gone. If you are still seeing Capcut error code 41102 after trying these steps, it may also help to give the app a little time and try again later, since some errors are temporary on Capcut's side. You can also make sure your app is updated to the latest version, because older versions may have bugs that have already been fixed. But in most cases, one of the 3 steps in this video, changing your internet connection, clearing the cache, or logging out and back in, will solve the issue. So to quickly recap, first switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to check your connection. Second, clear the cache and data from Capcut in the drafts area. Third, log out, fully close the app, reboot your device, and sign back in. These simple fixes solve the error for a lot of users and can save you a ton of time. If this tutorial helped you fix Capcut error code 41102, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.